helping design life-saving drugs, artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's woven into our daily reality. But this revolution didn't happen overnight. The dream of an electronic brain crystallized in the summer of 1956 at the Dartmouth Workshop, where computer scientist John McCarthy officially coined the term artificial intelligence. For decades, progress ebbed and flowed through so-called AI winters. Then, a perfect storm of massive data and powerful computing ignited a boom. We shifted from rigid rule-based programs to systems that learn, like DeepMind's AlphaGo mastering the world's most complex game. Now, generative AI creates stunning art from a simple phrase, and robots are learning to navigate the physical world. AI is tackling our biggest challenges, from modeling climate change to personalizing medicine. We're at the dawn of an era where our own intelligence is amplified, fundamentally changing what it means to solve a problem.